Today, we're going to be talking about how to take these very oxidized headlights and make them look like new. Hey everybody, welcome back to Detailed, where we get into the fine details of detailing. On this episode, we're going to be talking about headlight restoration. Now this is a bit more extensive. I've gone ahead and taped off the headlight already to go ahead and protect it, because we're going to be using things like wet sandpaper and polishers to remove this heavy oxidation off the surface. So enough talking, let's get to it. Looking at this headlight a little bit closer, we can see this very cloudy look to it. This comes from oxidation. The oxidation is from UV rays breaking down that top layer or overexposure to heat. Now to really bring this layer down and get a nice clean area, what we want to do is wet sand down the oxidation. So first what we're going to do is spray it down with our Eco Wash ready to use to lubricate the surface. And I have some 7,000 grit sandpaper here to start knocking it down. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off just to kind of see where my level is looking. Everything's looking pretty smooth. I got a little bit of difference right here. So I'm gonna just kind of keep coming back to it, knock it down so it looks like the rest of it. Now, once we've gotten it all wet sanded, it's looking pretty even on all my sanding. What I want to do is take a magic eraser. The magic eraser's got about a 10,000 grit to it. So this is going to smooth out any of my scratch marks, as well as get into some areas that are a little harder to hit with the paper. Wipe it off, take a look and see how it's all looking. So now we got a nice, even, cloudy look to everything. So what we want to do to really make this pop is start polishing it. And that's really going to bring all that gloss back to the headlight and making it look nice and clear. Apply a little bit of polish to my pad here. Don't need much, we're not working with a crazy big area. Get into it. Now once I'm pretty happy with where the gloss is looking in this very broad area where my pad was able to get into, I'm going to take a finer polisher to get into these edges and the finer little areas of the headlight. All right, now that we got everything polished, let's take a look at the results. I know this is a lot more of an extensive process than we've done in previous videos. And if you're interested in trying it out yourself, try it on a little lower or upper corner before committing to the whole headlight. If it's not going your way, then I suggest contacting your closest and most trusted detailer to take care of the headlight restoration. Besides the headlights looking a whole lot better, they're also a lot safer for the driver. By doing this, we've removed the oxidation so that when light from the headlight goes through the surface, it's not hitting all that noise and being disrupted. If you like what we did today, give the video a like, and if you like the content that we're putting out there, then go ahead and subscribe to us. We're putting out new videos every week. Now I gotta get back to detailing this car. I'll catch you next week.